If you are looking up for a job in which you can do it online and work by anywhere without having to waste any money from your own pocket, then you have clicked the right video, because this website over here, in which I'm going to reveal to you very soon, is going to give you one of the best jobs that you have ever seen in your life, and you are going to get paid big money. I'm talking about $400 per each person. Now guys, this is worldwide available, so you don't have to worry in which part of the world you're living right now, because you can use this by everywhere. And also you will have plenty of free time to enjoy for yourself, because it will only take you 20 minutes per day. And also I'm going to explain to you every detail that you will need to know, so don't worry and don't skip any part of this video, because it will be much harder for you to understand. In the end, you can grab your laptop and start doing this job and start getting those $400. But before I jump into more details, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the notification bell, so in this way you will never lose any new update from me. Now, let's reveal to you the website that is going to make you earn $400, and that is called crowdfire.com. Now, you're probably wondering what is this website, because you have never came across. Now, Crowdfire is a social media management simplified. Now, this will help a lot of people to manage their big platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, or many other. Now, you're probably thinking, who will do that? Well, probably businessmen, because they don't have time to manage their social media, because they are too busy to do that. So they want to hire someone else, and they are ready to pay big money for someone else to manage their social media account. But we are not here, of course, to pay Crowdfire, because we don't need to manage our social medias. In fact, we are going to promote Crowdfire to the people who might need it, because there are people out there who don't know that Crowdfire exists, and they're probably wasting their time with other things. So we are going to do them a favor and promote Crowdfire to them. Just scroll to the end of this page and click on the affiliates and referral. Now guys, I will not show you any more information about Crowdfire, like the features or the benefits, because you don't need to know them by me. You can go and check them by yourself to have them as a knowledge when you are going to promote it. But on this video, because I don't want it to make it very long, I'm just going to say to you that Crowdfire is a social media management, and that is enough for you for now. Now, as soon as you click that affiliate or referral, you are going to be directed to this page, in which you are going to get more information about the affiliate program that this website offers. Now, you're going to refer and earn up to $400 for every customer. Invite anyone to join Crowdfire, and they will give you 35% of all payments that they make in the first year. So as you can see, you just need one client, and with only one client, you're going to earn for 1 year $400 every month. Now we are talking about only one client, guys. Now imagine having more than one client. It means that you are going to earn thousands of dollars per month. As you can see, you are going to get 35% generous commission, and I know that 35% might not sound a lot to you, but don't forget that it's higher than the average. You are going to earn in cash. It's free to join, so you don't have to invest any money or pay anything. It's quick payouts, unlimited earnings, easy trackings, and it works very easily. You just need to sign up, create an account, and get your referral link. Share and promote the link and earn when they spend. And the more you promote, the more you are going to earn. And you are going to share your link in some different ways that I'm going to show you, and you can combine them to increase your incomes. Now, you are going to earn like at least $400 for only single customer, because you are going to get them to sign up for the VIP plan, which is $100 per month. Now guys, imagine getting more and more clients. It means that you are going to earn more and more. Here you are going to check out some happy customers. Now scroll down at the beginning and click on the join now button, in which it will make you go to this page in which you can sign up. You can sign in with Google, which will take you only some seconds, or you can use an email in which you will have to confirm your email. After you have finished it up, giving them all the information that they need, you are ready to go. Now this will be the Crowdfire dashboard, in which you are going to keep a track of the clicks, referral links, and also the earnings, in which you can withdraw them as soon as you get them. Now guys, this will be your referral link in which you are going to use it. As you can see, it's a very long and a very complicated, which means that most of the people would think that it's a scam. So what you will have to do is go over to a website in which you will shorten that link, and I will suggest you using Bitly, but you can use also other websites that you might know. Now as soon as you shorten the link, it will not make it that obvious that you are trying to sell someone, or if you are trying to use a referral link to those people. Now guys, after finishing up following all of these steps, what has left is the part that you need to know some benefits and features of Crowdfire, and after getting that information for yourself, you need to go over to the people in which you are going to make them your clients. Now let me tell you where you are going to get them. I have two websites. In fact, the first one is a platform called Instagram, which most of you know it. Now we are going to use Instagram to get those clients. And how? Well, you need to search up for big platforms on Instagram. You can search up for pages for mostly like crypto pages or others who have at least 10,000 of followers and even more. Not 1 million followers, because it will be much harder, but small pages who have some followers. Now you just need to write them a message in which you will tell them about Crowdfire. Now guys, don't write them down something like, hey, check out this link in which you are going to see a social media management website. No, because the chances for them to click on that link after they have read that message are very low. What you will have to do is go over to Crowdfire and mention all the features, all the benefits, make it more formal, the message, so they will get more serious. Now as soon as you send that message, attach the affiliate link, and probably the chances for them to click are very high. Now let me give you some information, guys. You know that the chances for them to read your message are very low, because as you know, they will get your message in the request section, so it will be much harder. So you will need to send a lot of people that message, so one of them are going to check it out for sure, and they're going to click it. Now I have another method too in which we are going to get free traffic, and that is Fiverr.com. Now over here, as you can see, Fiverr is a website of freelancers, and you are going to find some freelancers to get them as your clients. And I'm talking about social media management people who are doing this job. So they are doing the same job as Crowdfire, but they cannot manage more than 2 or 3 accounts at least, because they don't have that time. But if you refer to them Crowdfire, they will give them the opportunity to manage more accounts and earn double more. So after doing that, contact them directly. The chances for them to see the message are higher than in Instagram, and you are going to earn $400 with your first client, and you are going to get more clients and earn thousands of dollars. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then give it a like. If you want to learn different methods of earning money online, then you can check out other videos as well. Thank you for watching.